Are you facing the error code 25506 in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2? This pesky matchmaking error often pops up when you're trying to get into a game, and it can be quite the nuisance. But don't worry, we've got you covered. First and foremost, error code 25506 is not a new issue. It's been troubling players for a while now, and while the developers have yet to provide an official solution, we've done some digging and found a few potential ways to address this problem. The first step you should take is restarting your game. Simply close it and wait a few seconds before relaunching. If the error persists, try rebooting your device. Still seeing that error code? It's time to check for any pending updates. Sometimes these bugs can be squashed by a simple update to your game or device, so make sure everything is up to date. If you've tried all the above, and you're still running into error code 25506, it might be time to check the server status of the game. You can do this by visiting support.activision.com/online services and selecting MW2 from the list of games. If the servers are down or there's an outage, you'll need to wait until things are up and running again. At this point, if you're still encountering the error, we recommend waiting for 3 to 4 hours before trying again. Sometimes these issues take a bit of time to resolve. If the error continues, don't hesitate to reach out to Activision support via their Twitter handle, @8vassist. To summarize, if you're facing error code 25506 in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, try restarting your game and your device. Check for any pending updates, verify the server status of the game, and if all else fails, wait a few hours before trying again or reach out to Activision support. Remember, bugs and errors are just part of the gaming experience. They can be frustrating, but with a little patience and troubleshooting, you'll be back in the game in no time. Until then, hang tight, soldier. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.